So for this, you're going to need a lip gloss, some tweezers, a container, your Holo glitter, a Q-tip, and a cup of boiling hot water. You're going to start by unscrewing the top to your lip gloss, and you're going to want to remove the stopper. And by doing that, you're just going to take your tweezers and stick it in between the stopper and the tube, and it should easily pop out. And once we have that, we're going to put the cap back on the lip gloss, and we're going to set it in the hot water for about 5 minutes. This is going to help loosen the lip gloss, which is going to make it way easier to pour out in our container. As you guys can see, it's kind of just guzzling right out, which is perfect because it's going to take way quicker to leak out than just letting it leak out without warming it up. Next, you're going to take your Q-tip and you're going to cut the cotton part off, and we're going to use this as our stirrer. And then you're going to take your Holo glitter and you're going to pour however much you want into the gloss, and we're going to start stirring. And remember, the more Holo glitter, the more glittery your lips are going to be, which means your lips are going to be super popping with more glitter. And after we do that, I attempted to pour it back into my container, and I found that turning the container while I poured it in the tube made it really easy. And then I just took my spoolie and I scraped the container to get the excess glitter out, and I put it into the tube, and this is what I got. And as you guys will see, it is very pretty, especially when the light hits it. It just pops. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.